Dun, 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 dun.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today is a Friday and I'm taking you guys along with me today kasi wala akong masyadong ginagawa pag Friday actually. I only have one 3-hour class and then I'm usually done. But I have a meeting today for my org. I usually just stay for a few hours for the meeting and then Po picks me up and then we both go home. So one of the reasons why I'm vlogging today is because I'm expecting a package, an exciting one that I've been waiting for the whole week and I wanted to share it with you guys. So yun, kaya din tayo nag-vlog. And I just got up to go to school and medyo nahihiyan ako mag-vlog. I'm finally in my floor and gustong-gusto ko talaga mag-vlog kanina dun sa lobby kasi sobrang daming tao and medyo hiya pa ako. Hindi medyo, sobrang nahihiya pa ako. So dito na ako mag-vlog since wala naman natang tao sa likod ko. So, yeah. Actually, kind of hope na umuwi na lang ako yesterday kasi we're just gonna watch a film today in class, I think. And wala naman masyadong gagawin.
Oh, you're lying. I thought of not doing it yet. Okay. So, reminders, for those who will come late, just tell them to open their big sky.
Just woke up. Actually, nakatulog ako for like an hour. Wait, CJ. Say hi to my vlog. Para alam naman nila may friends ako.
Hi, what's up? Welcome to Joella's vlog. My name is CJ can last double S because I have a big fat. Call me Stabilo, but
Pass na pala.
why are you wearing
What?
yellow
Bawal?
shades?
Because I'm stylish like that.
Alam nyo ba, Joe is wearing her shades while the lights are off.
Yeah, hindi ko talaga siya tinanggal. Kahit nanood kami ng movie, na-realize ko lang lahat ng pinapanood ko, yellow. Kanina.
Oo nga, no? Baka ganun siya kanina.
Okay.
Ano pangalan ng mga followers mo sa subscribers?
Wala, subscribers.
Gawa tayo ng ano?
Hindi, ayoko.
Call us Jowishan.
Joey? Ano yung religion? Joey siya.
Bye, Jowishan.
Bye. Oh?
Baba.
Ay, sorry. In the office kasi may meeting kami. Hi, Zan! What's that? Cute! Miss you, Zan.
Nag-vlog ka na naman ba?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Hey, why?
Kasi nalabas niyo yung nila ni
Nice, professional. Advisors ko po yan.
Bawal po yan.
Carlos.
What's in my bag challenge?
Ay, magre-request nga ako nun.
Gusto ko yung ano,
sa
ay
comments sa
yung mag-review ka ng skincare products. Pinanood ko ng po yun.
Pero wala ako ng pera pang bili ng skincare.
Kaya ka binili.
Send me address down below. Hi guys, this is JJ. We're going to go to Jollibee to eat.
It's my cheat day today, so I can...
Kala ko it's my treat day. Like you're gonna treat me. Grabe naman.
She thought it was a treat day, really?
Yan.
You eat with your hands when you chicken.
Hi, Bob.
Yeah. Dude, this is the best.
Say hi to my vlog.
Frankie's hungry, Frankie's. I've never tried Frankie's.
Ano, ay ko pala.
A lot of things, so what are those things? You wanted to request ka sa atin.
Like what they're asking for our secret.
I forgot to update you guys. Natapos na yung meeting. I'm actually in the condo right now. I'm gonna get my stuff na. Paula's downstairs waiting for me. Mga 2 o'clock na. So the meeting lasted for like about 2 hours, which is good. My dad called me in the middle of the meeting telling me that our package has arrived, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys and unbox it in front of you, because there's something really satisfying about unboxing, honestly. So yes, I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Na-mention ko din naman kanina na kaya din ako nagva-vlog is because nga, may na-expect akong package. But I have to be quick. I'm here in my room now. Just gonna grab my stuff and go downstairs. So, pag Fridays, when I go home, ito lang usually yung dala ko. A maleta full of my dirty clothes, laptop and iPad, and then just an everyday bag full of like chargers and stuff. Hi, Bobby! Thank you for picking me up and bringing me home. Actually, nandun din siya sa meeting kanina, but yeah, thank you for bringing me home.
Of course.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Huh? Let me say you're welcome.
You're welcome.
And
Thank you.
no. You see, I
love you.
love you too. Okay, we're on the way home now, and medyo kinakabahan ako sa traffic kasi apparently sobrang traffic sa South. Kasi may ginagawa sa Skyway.
Extension ng Skyway.
Extension daw ng Skyway. So, let's hope it's not that traffic pa-uwi. Kasi di ba papunta na traffic ka, babe? So,
Paggabi lang.
sana pa-uwi ngayon, hindi traffic. Kasi maaga pa naman, 2:20 pa lang eh. So, yes. So, kakauwi lang namin. Actually, hindi. Mga 10 minutes na ako nasa bahay. Kaso, I helped my dad with something related to this also. But I got my package and we're going to unbox and open. Right? Yeah, I'm so excited.
Dun, dun, dun. What is it?
It's from
Globe.
Globe. Just kidding. I mean, obviously it's from Globe, but like not sponsored. Wish it was. What? If I was sponsored, it would have been so cool. Yeah. And what? It's not.
Just the
No, this one.
eat hub.
Yeah.
Hintay mo na kayo, guys.
Wait lang. Part to ng unboxing. Ito yung mga satisfying parts.
I'm pretty sure they know what it is since it's so hard to take on. Wait lang. It's this part kasi.
Yeah, sumabit siya dun sa thing. Tapos sira, oh.
I think it would be.
Yada!
Yeah! Thanks, babe. Okay. Unbox.
Don't
Don't
cut yourself, huh?
do this at home, kids. Joke lang. I am at home. Oh, it isn't bubble wrap.
Should
Sorry.
be. Dun, 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 dun.
Cute! It's so pretty.
Can I have the bubble wrap? It's the fun.
Yeah, you
I
can.
like popping bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Medyo mahirap. Okay na. Here now.
We pull it out now.
Yeah.
There we go.
Got a new phone.
Give him the details.
So,
Give him the details.
okay. This is the new iPhone 11 Pro Max in the color silver. 256 gig. I got it from Globe kasi nalaman ko that nalaman ko that my contract, kasi postpaid ako, my contract expired last September. If you guys aren't familiar kasi with the whole Globe thing, if you're postpaid kasi, you have a plan with Globe for 2 years, lock-in yun. And then, you have the option to get a phone or not. They usually have a free phone. Medyo naudlot yung filming natin kasi my dad needed help setting up his phone also. So, oh my gosh, it's Callie! It's Callie, guys. Wait. Hi, Callie!
Okay, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan, promise. I promise to save this for the vlog. I'm going to go to the mall then afterwards. After setting this up, kasi bibili ako ng case and ng screen protector. And then I'll buy one for my dad also. So let's unbox, guys. Wait, medyo. Gals! Okay.
Nabangan din.
Boom! Hulog.
Picture lang yun.
Fake to jokes. Oh my gosh, I missed having a big phone! If you guys didn't know, my phone that I'm using now to film is an iPhone X. Then the phone before that was an iPhone 7 Plus. So, medyo matagal-tagal na rin na hindi malaki yung phone ko. And, ewan ko, for some reason, na-enjoy ko talaga yung big phones. And I really like it. So, I'm going to set this up. Medyo matagal-tagal siyang i-set up. Because I set up my dad's phone kanina. And it took a while. So, what I like about this now, and also I did it to my dad's phone din, is hindi na wireless na yung transferring ng data niya. Let's buy a case. Hi, ate! Wow, galing. Bilis. Tempered glass and bagong case thanks to ate.
Thank you.
Yummy, Popeyes. Thank you, Baba.
Sure.
Yummy. Yummy. Can I see yours? Open, open.
Chick burger.
Wow, look at the flawless bun. Thank you for the treat, babe.
Sure.
We'll share with you
Oh
guys.
yeah, so clear.
Yeah, we'll share with you guys our favorite thing in Popeyes ever.
It's the gravy.
The biscuit with... Where's mine? You stole mine.
Have mine. Have mine.
Oh, bakit di? Oh, thank you. With the honey sauce. Or
Syrup.
Syrup. Honey syrup. This is the best thing ever. Cheers. Wait, we can't see yours, Bob.
Over here.
Can't see it. How will you believe? Cheers.
Okay guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today,
Don't talk like that, kaya. Excuse me.
I'm not even trying to mock you, that's my vlogger voice.
Then you can't be a vlogger, babe. So, guys, I think this concludes our vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. And if you
Like,
didn't, give it a
Turn on
thumbs
your
down.
notifications. What else?
And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know I've been saying na mag-upload ako na mag-upload, and honestly,
ACADS is hard.
hindi siya ideal for me. Pero,
Right, Jo?
in a few weeks, I will be on Christmas vacation, and siguro naman makakapag-vlogmas tayo. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want more vlogs, or if you want like challenges or anything. And you want to say anything? No?
No.
Okay. You mad? Okay. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Follow me on my social media, shameless vlog. Boom!